If you are looking to have younger looking eyes, less wrinkles around your eyes, then I suggest that you start using shea butter as an eye cream. So the recipe that I have here is very easy. All you need is your favorite shea cream or shea butter. This is the one that I've been using lately. I really love it because it's very soft. It is a little expensive, but really you can just use any shea butter. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of this shea butter and place it in my bowl. So I just have a little here because I like to use this up and remake it. I like it fresh because shea butter can go bad, so you want to just make a small batch. Now I'm going to be adding just a little bit of vitamin E oil. I would say around half a teaspoon. And if you don't have vitamin E oil, you could definitely use argan oil. So what I'm going to do here is just heat this up in the microwave for a few seconds. So I heated that up for a few seconds and I have my oil in there. Just about 5 seconds, that's all you need. And now I'm going to get my hand blender. You can also use a whisk, and I'm just going to beat this. Till it's a smooth consistency and everything is blended well together. Okay. So as you can see, it's a little liquidy, but this will solidify a little bit once it cools down. And when you want to use this on your eyes, you just take it in your hands and you kind of like soften it up with the heat of your hands. If you cannot do that or you feel it's not softening up enough, just microwave it for about 2 seconds. That's why I make such a small batch of this. And then you just dab it on your eyes. So this shea butter restores lipids and rapidly boosts collagen and moisture around your eyes so that you won't see those crinkly lines around your eyes. Sometimes that's not even caused by aging. It is actually just because you're dehydrated or not getting enough sleep. If it is caused by aging, you could definitely soften those lines with this mixture that I just made here, because shea butter is very, very moisturizing. It's also an occlusive, so it seals in moisture. You can place a little bit of oil around your eye or even your favorite eye cream, and then you can top it off with this shea butter mixture or just shea butter alone, and you will see that you will wake up with beautiful, younger looking moisturized eyes with no crinkly lines or anything like that. Also, make sure to put this between your eyebrows, because a lot of times when we're trying to focus on something or squinting or whatever, we're worried, then we furrow our eyebrows together, and that's what causes those lines between your eyes. But if you keep that area moisturized and you try to train yourself not to make those expressions, you can definitely keep those lines away. So this shea butter boosts collagen and promotes cell regeneration. So if you have any dry skin, it will make your eyes look older. So what this mixture will do is it will remove that dead skin and help to build or grow new beautiful skin filled with collagen and filled with moisture. It contains vitamin A and vitamin E, which are very strong antioxidants that keep your skin young and beautiful. So be sure to try this mixture. I guarantee you that it works. As you can see, it's already thickening up there. Do not put it too close to your eyes or your tear ducts, because it will irritate your eyes, but just dab it on your eyelids, dab it between your eyebrows, all around the eye area where you would see crow's feet or any kind of wrinkles around your eyes. And you can start this very young. This is also great to use in the winter when, you know, you want to protect your skin from the cold, dry air, but it's also great in the summer. Just use a little bit less. So give this cream a try and let me know if you tried it. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe because I like to come up with these little beauty secrets to keep your skin young and beautiful, and they definitely work. So thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think about this eye cream. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.